Hey everyone, welcome to today's video, and in this video we are going to differentiate this particular function using the concepts of differentiation. So the first step that we are going to do is we are going to assign this entire function a single variable. So let us say that the value of y is equal to e raised to the power sine of x square. Now after that, the rule says that internally whatever function that we have is again assigned a value. So that means in this case we'll assign v as sine of x square, and the last function at hand is x square, so we'll assign this as u, that is x square. Eventually what we are looking at is to calculate the value of dy by dx. Now the value of dy by dx can only be calculated if we have suitable values of all these functions together. Now since we have assumed the value of sine of x square as v, so that means in this case this will be sine v. So v will be equal to sine of u. We have resubstituted x square as u, so the value of v becomes sine of u, and sine of x square was v. So in this case y will becomes e raised to the power u. Now in order to calculate the value of dy by dx, this can be bifurcated as dy by du multiplied by dv by du multiplied by du, and this will be dv by du this will be dv by du multiplied by dv by d of x. Now let us calculate the values quickly. So the value of dy by dx comes out to be this is one way of doing this. Let me tell you one shorter approach to do that using a simple chain rule. So just differentiate every single functions that comes along the way. So for example, e raised to the power x is e raised to the power x itself. So this is e raised to the power sine x square. Multiply this by the differentiation of sine of x square, which is cos of x square, and then multiply this by the differentiation of x square, which is 2x. So in the end what we have is directly the answer, that dy by dx is equal to 2x multiplied by cos of x square multiplied by e raised to the power sine of x square. So this right here, my friend, is the final answer that we were looking for. I hope that this video was informative enough, and for more such videos don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.